The sky above the port was the color of television, tuned to a dead channel.
Because of the uproar that last video caused, I am no longer allowed to say or thanks, legal. Okay, we're going to do one of these fancy one-take videos because why the hell not? So let's start by connecting to our Docker host. And the first part of the installation is to run apt-get update because brand new installation. Why not? It's always fun, right? The next thing we want to do is install a couple of packages, and those are the apt transport HTTPS, which allows us to do HTTPS in our source files that we make, and update our CA certificates. Hey, yo, yay, those are already up to date, so that's a win. Next thing is we want to add Docker's key to our local node so that we can be sure that what we're getting is from Docker itself. Docker at Docker, no less, because meta. Okay, now we want to add the file. So let's go ahead and add our sources list. Apt sources.d docker.list. Let's see, apt sources.d docker list. I'm using a cut and paste buffer in case you're wondering. And what we want to add is this line so that it's HTTPS from the appdockerproject.org, new domain name, with the repo, and we're on Ubuntu Trusty, and we want it to be part of the main. So since we just added a source, update our information again. There we go. And then our next step is to, we want to set the Docker engine policy to always pull the latest. Ta-da! So now when we do our install, it'll be 1.10.1, not that old 1.10.0. All right, so let's go ahead and install Docker Engine. Yes, we want to install everything, including Git GUI and Git GTK, because we're hardcore gangster, yo. And everything's processed and up to date. All right, our next step is to throw security out the window and also any hope of auditing on this instance, and add my user to the Docker group. Log out, SSH, log back in, Docker version 10.1, Docker PS, nothing, Docker images, more nothing, Docker, run, hello world. Something is being pulled. So now if we do Docker images, we'll see the hello world. Docker run interactive -i, tty for the -t, Ubuntu is the image, and bash is the command. What this will do is it'll create the image, or it'll download the image, and then it'll start it locally for us, and then it'll drop us at a bash prompt. But the second we leave the image, that all goes away and it stops running. And so you can see here, this is a funky number. Will you control? Nope, you won't. But, you ever just want to screw everything and remove it all? And it's gone anywhere that was not a read-only. These are my commands. but it's no longer running. It was stopped. Docker rm, and I want to remove 3f9. And you know what? Let's get rid of that pesky hello world also. Docker ps-a for the, all right. But they're still here in our local images, unless we do docker remove the local images. And I don't like the hello world image just sitting there doing nothing, hanging up, taking out space. I don't care if it's less than a meg. I don't care if it's less than a K. It's still there cluttering my list. Docker. Spelled correctly. Images. Spelled correctly. There you go.